What's up, everybody? On this hot day, back with a quick video while I wait for my side mirrors to come in. So I got these new smoked fender turn signal blinkers because my current mirrors have the turn signals built in, but these are going to be replacing my fender trim, so I can have some blinkers on the side. And this is the smoked version of these signal blinkers. There was an option to have it like a sequential one where it blinks in a direction, but I just got the simple ones that blink amber. And here's the other one. So yeah, to install this is pretty simple. All you really need is a small pry tool to get the fender trim off, and then replace it with these. Interestingly enough, all the Lancers actually have the harness for these built in already. So even if you have the turn signals in your mirrors, you can still use these. So here's my car. You see I have the turn signals built in to the mirrors, but I will be replacing these for when I get my 08 to 14 mirrors without the turn signals, so I can use my polarized glass. So to remove this, you kind of just have to pry it out. Now I did paint these, so I think you want to go from here, just push it to the back, and then it comes out. So I'll pry it out, it unclips, and you can see it already has the harness for it. To install these, just line up the clips, plug it in, and reinsert it. And that's it, simple install. Now to test it out. There you go. Now the second side. And that's it. I'll show you that it works. So yeah, even if you have this one plugged in, the mirrors will still work too. Alright, cool. So this is going to be the end of the video.
It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity.